we harvest corns. Today, I'll make boiled corns. When I boil the corns, I usually use only water because fresh corns are very sweet and tasty. But many people want the boiled corns flavor they can buy on the street or in the market. They think corns should be seasoned to some extent. So, I'll add 2 spices to show how they make boiled corns. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of new sugar, depending on your preference. Shinwhadang is different from new sugar. In case of Shinwhadang, add 1 teaspoon of Shinwhadang powder, 1.5 liters of water. Let's peel the husk. When I husk the corn, I make sure to leave the innermost layer on the corn to add more flavor. And remove the corn beard. Let's wash the corns. Get a pot of water ready. Add salt, and new sugar and stir it. Enough water to cover them. Boil it over high heat. When it starts to boil thoroughly, turn down the heat to medium after 10 minutes. And then boil it for another 10 minutes. Thoroughly, I have boiled it around 30 minutes. Turn off the stove and leave it as it is for 5 minutes. Try this. It's chewy and it's delicious. Please make to give it a try. Thank you.